back to the channels, guys. This morning I'm working on a 2006 Jag 4.2. Keeps coming up on the dashboard, engine too hot, engine temperature too high. Now I've done a few of these. Usually it's the thermostat ears, they break off and then the thermostat just doesn't work properly. Where is it? I'll show you the thermostat here. You look at this here, you actually have to build the thermostat into the thermostat housing. Now when you change the thermostat, it's fairly easy to do it with the bonnet on, but what you don't actually see is the thermostat housing that goes onto the engine. The inside breaks away, so the thermostat still can't work properly and efficiently, so it's still allowing water through. So I'm waiting for the new housing to come from Jag this morning. I'll turn the camera around so you guys can have a look. This is the engine bay. Changing the water pump as well. What you'll find is if that bit does break away, it will fall down this hole and then sit in here, or worst case destroy the water pump. In this one it was just sat there and slowing the flow down, so that was probably half the reason why the engine kept saying it was getting a little bit too hot. Changing the water pump anyway, because once you're in there it's pretty pointless not to change it for safeguarding. So it's a fairly straightforward job, anyone could do it at home, DIY. So yeah, once I've got the parts, I'll carry on with the video. So I've got the thermostat and block housing. Just to make you all aware, this bit here is actually cheaper to buy than the thermostat and its little housing, so which is this bit here, which I showed you earlier. It's cheaper to buy that big bit than it is to buy these two bits on their own. So just keep that aware for future reference. If you want to just change the thermostat and housing, you can, but it works out cheaper. It's a little bit more labour intensive to change it, but it's worth it. Got the new water pump, there's the old one. I mean, we didn't really have to change it, but we're changing it purely because it's starting to seep water out of there. But the good thing about the new one is it has a metal impeller rather than a plastic one, so less chance of it breaking. So as you can see, water pump's all on, thermostat housing's all on. Fairly straightforward. Obviously make sure you fit the water pump before you fit the thermostat housing, because otherwise you're going to be working blind. Okay guys, so hope you enjoyed the video on the Jag. It's probably been about a week now since it's been finished. Everything turned out fine. No more engine overheat, no more engine too hot lights coming up. So yeah, if your Jag decides it wants to throw up them lights on the dashboard, that's more likely what it's going to be, is the thermostat and housing. You might get lucky and it just be the thermostat, but it's well worth just changing the whole housing. It probably take you an extra 15-20 minutes to change it. It's not too hard. So yeah, I hope you like this video. Subscribe to the channel, and yeah, look out for the next video.